Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace an oven door hinge on this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door, then use the flathead screwdriver to help rotate the hinge locks forward. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Set the door handle side down on a towel or blanket. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the door handle. With the screws unthreaded, set the handle aside. Next, unthread the four bottom screws, securing the inner door panel assembly to the outer door panel. Separate the inner panel assembly from the outer panel. You can now unthread the upper screws securing the door hinge you're replacing. Unthread the two lower screws securing the hinge and fully remove the hinge. To install the new oven door hinge, align it on the inner panel. Then thread the two lower screws and the upper screw to secure the hinge. With the new hinge secured, realign the inner door assembly with the outer door panel. Rethread the four bottom screws. Make sure the top edge of the assembly is accessible. Then insert the door handle screws. Align the handle and thread the screws into the handle to secure. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position. Then rotate the hinge locks back. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the induction range should be ready for use.